Meet the future of logistics. Our autonomous forklift uses advanced LiDAR navigation for high-precision positioning in any environment. Watch as it autonomously identifies and picks up pallets with pinpoint accuracy. One autonomous forklift can do the work of 3 manual laborers. Operating tirelessly, it completes hundreds of transport trips daily, drastically reducing your operational costs and boosting efficiency. It doesn't stop at one floor. Through smart building integration, the autonomous forklift automatically calls and rides elevators. Seamlessly moving goods upstairs and downstairs, ensuring an uninterrupted workflow throughout your entire facility. Whether it's a bustling lighting factory or a dense warehouse, it navigates narrow aisles safely and steadily. Finally, it places the cargo precisely at the designated drop-off point. Upgrade your factory automation today and see the ROI in months.